In this video, I am going to share my ClickBank Profit System course, a complete course that is going to show you step by step how to go from zero to hero, how to become a super affiliate, how to become a traffic expert, and what to expect once you get this course, a life-changing opportunity for you. Now, before I dive into this video, if you are one of my new viewers of my YouTube channel and want to learn how to make money online, then make sure you click the subscribe button and smash that subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell. Give me a thumbs up, it will be appreciated. And don't forget to share this video with the people you care. So I want to share what this course is all about, how this one course is more than enough to make you a super affiliate, traffic expert, and teach you step by step how to create powerful traffic campaigns, and also make you a YouTube expert and a funnel builder expert. That means how to build funnels. All right, so I'm going to show you step by step how you can get access to this course, what to expect from this course, and my 6 top exclusive bonuses that is priceless. Okay, if I put a price on it, I can't. It's worth priceless. So let me dive into this and let me show you what this course is all about. Okay, so when you go to the links in my description box below this video or in my comment section box, I'll pin the link in my comment section box, you will come to a page just like this. A sales funnel, a page just like this where I reveal how you can turn your life and change your life permanently. This is a course for anyone who's interested in learning how to make money online, who wants to learn how to become an expert with traffic generation, campaign creation, anyone interested in learning how to do affiliate marketing and promote other people's product and become an expert and become a super affiliate. Okay, I reveal one of the #1 top network in this course called ClickBank, which is a marketplace for thousands and thousands of digital products, and I teach you step by step how to promote product, how to choose a product, how to drive traffic, and how to start making instant sales and instant commissions. The methods that I teach in this course works with every network out there, which means when you go through this course, if you are not interested in promoting ClickBank products, that's fine. You can apply the strategies and methods with other products and other systems out there. It works with everything out there, okay? It's proven and tested, and this is how the top 95% top internet millionaire gurus are making all their money. So when you come to this page, you can read through this, you could watch that video as well, and if you're interested in accessing this course, you could go here and click on this button and you will be able to get access to this life-changing course, okay? So you could come here, you could see everything, how it all works, okay? You could read through this if you want, but let me just go straight to the bonuses that you're going to get, okay? So here's the bonuses, all right? You're going to get 6 exclusive bonuses when you get access to the ClickBank Profit System. Now remember, the ClickBank Profit System course is worth $997. That's right. Why am I saying this? Because the methods that I teach and the methods that I share within this course is something that normally people charge and people give at their mentoring and coaching program. And I am revealing it all within my course. And I promise, if you get access to this course and you go through it with a positive mindset and you take action and follow the steps, your life will never be the same again. So let's talk about the 6 exclusive bonuses, which is extra you're getting when you purchase this course. The first one is called the Fast Profit Playbook, the $1 million strategy manual, where I reveal the latest programs, the latest systems, up to date for you to make money online, which is used either by me or by the top internet millionaires. This Fast Profit Playbook comes with a reseller license, which means you will be able to sell it yourself and earn 100% profit. I go through the training on how to set it all up within 5 minutes. Bonus number 2, top solo ad traffic providers, the top email traffic providers I give you on a silver platter, which will guarantee top quality subscribers, which means potential sales and commissions. You don't have to keep on jumping around from this traffic provider to another traffic provider, testing different people, thinking nothing's working for me. I'm giving it to you on a silver platter with those top traffic providers. That's going to make you not just $1, $2, not just $100, $200, but potentially thousands of dollars every single month with different opportunities, different programs, different systems, and different affiliate networks. Okay. Bonus number 3, done for you business in a box. Yes, that's right. No more testing different landing pages and blah, blah, blah. I'm giving you the exact landing pages, okay, that you can swipe with one click straight into your free account. That's right, free account, and start using it and start building a high quality list of subscribers. All right. Number 4, which is the reseller license. We're going to talk about that last. Let's just talk about the other bonus. Number 5, YouTube Mastery course, a complete course how to turn your YouTube channel into a profit machine, how to start getting unlimited free traffic from YouTube, how to upload videos, how to rank your videos on Google and YouTube, and how to start getting unlimited free traffic from YouTube and start making thousands of dollars in commissions and revenue every single month. Okay, this is worth $997. You're getting it absolutely free of charge when you purchase the ClickBank Profit System course. All right, then the ultimate bonus number 6, ultimate 24 hours launch checklist, which means step 1, do this, step 2, do this, step 3, do this, step 4, do this, and start making money. That's how simple it is. Now let's talk about the bonus 4, which is priceless. Okay, in my opinion, this is a priceless bonus which I'm giving, and that is the reseller license to this course with 100% profit. Now, when you go to an affiliate network and you purchase a product or you promote a product, you get paid anywhere from 10% to 75% commission. With this product, I am giving away 100% commission when you promote this product. And not just I'm giving 100% commission, but actually I am giving you my done for you ready-made sales funnel and order form. That's right. With one click, you will able to swipe my sales funnel order form straight into your account, free account, and I show you exactly how to set everything up within 10 minutes. Start driving traffic and start making 100% profit. I'm giving away to you, and you're going to get this exact sales funnel that you're seeing here. Okay, where's that funnel gone? All right, this is, yes, this one, this exact sales funnel straight into your account where you were able to drive traffic and start earning 100% profit. That's right, I'm giving away 100% profit for you to actually go out there and sell this course, and I'm giving you this done for you ready-made sales funnel and order form, which is called just like a business in a box for you to swipe. It's all done for you. You just click one button and it will be straight into your free account. I show you how to set it up, start driving traffic, and start earning 100% profit. You're not going to find this, perhaps you're not going to find this anywhere else. All right, now let me just go into the members area. This is the type of course you're going to get. It's all video tutorials. All right, you're going to see all this. You're going to go through this course. It teaches you step by step everything, how to actually make money online promoting other people's product without having to create a website, blog, having any technical skills, prior experience. 100% beginners friendly. All right, and you're going to get exactly 100% reseller license to this course as a bonus for you to actually sell this course and earn 100% profit. So if you are interested in getting access to this course and you really want to make money online, promoting other people's product, you are sick and tired with all the BS out there, jumping from one side to another side, and you want to really start making money, become a super affiliate, become a traffic expert, then I highly recommend you get access to this course right now. Okay, link is popping up right on the screen. You can find the link in the description box below this video. You can also find a link in my comment section box where people leave a comment. There's going to be a comment there from me, a pinned comment. Just click on that link and you will be able to get access to this course. Now, let me just talk about the timer here. You can see the timer here, okay? This bonus can disappear, all right? I'm not going to promise about disappearing, but it can disappear when the timer hits 0. So if you really want the access to a complete life-changing opportunity system and a course with 6 exclusive bonuses, which one of them is a priceless 100% profit reseller license where you get to clone my entire sales funnel order form with all the settings that I show you within 10 minutes, then get access to this course now. And I promise you're going to love this course. You're going to like this course and you're going to thank me later for this.